Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can create, design, and publish book step by step using Magic Books AI. Make a full book in just a few minutes without writing or design anything. This is the Magic Books AI dashboard. It's very clean and easy to use. At the top, you will see button to create book, manage team, watch tutorials, and change settings. In the middle, you can see your book reviews. Everything is made for beginner. To start, click Create, then click New Book. Choose AI book. You'll see many categories like business, kids book, novels, and magazine. Just pick one and continue. Now, added book details. You can create a book from a short description or PDF or website link. Choose the right style, tone, language, number of chapters and words. Then click generate. In a few seconds, Magic Books AI created a full your book for you. If you want to change anything, it's very simple. Click the magic wand and rewrite or improve any text. You can also change font's color, background, and added image or links. It feels like using words but with AI. Next, create your book cover. You can let AI design it, upload it your own cover or choose from over 200 ready-made covers. Pick one and added move. You and added your subtitles and short descriptions. Choose how people read your book. You can even added AI voiceover to read the book out loud. When you're ready, click publish book. Your book now it's live and ready to share. With Magic Books AI, you can create the kids book, ebooks, planners, business books, and more, all in minutes. Check the link in the description to try Magic Books AI. If this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment what book you want to create first. Thank you for watching and see you the next one.